We are going to discuss how to tackle a problem of not getting square selection. Right now, when I left click and drag a mouse, I get selection pattern like this. I'm not getting square selection pattern. So to get square selection pattern, you just right click, go to options, then go to selection. Here we have different tabs. Out of that, go to selection tab. And here you observe in selection modes, this allow press and drag for lasso. So it is selected. So you just uncheck it. You have to uncheck the lasso and click on OK. Now, when I drag the mouse just by left clicking, I get the square selection. Thank you.